Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P30 Pro, and I'll show you how to clear browser data. So jumping straight to it, we'll go into your browser, which for me it's Chrome, and you'll see on the top these three little dots, so tap on it and then go into history. And from here you can see, well, not very big history, but you can either remove it by tapping on the X like so, or you can go into clear browser data, and from here you can choose browser history, cookies, media licenses, and also cache, and you can select which one you want to keep. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to clear everything, and I'm going to also choose all time, which, just so you know, you have other options on the time period which you can clear. So once you have selected everything, you can just click on clear data right here, and then clear, and it's gone now. So this is how you clear the browser data. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.